Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to speed up your video in CapCut. So let's get started. At first, let's get into CapCut app. So here it is. So let's tap on this. Now you can go for any project or start the new one. Let's go for this one. And here we need to tap on this video over here. So let's tap on this and we can see this icon called speed. So let's tap on this. Now here are two options for changing speed. If you want to change the speed normally, let's tap on this and you can change it by 2 times, 4 times, 10 times or anything. You can simply let's go for 1 times only for now and click on tick mark. And this curve, you can simply tap on this and here you can change the speed to different ratio. So this is it. So this is how you can change or speed up the video in CapCut. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.